Let's get him. That come out way. That come out way, son. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Ooh. Oh, my God. It probably seemed like a good idea.
Ça va aller loin, purée.
Eva.
Dashcam has captured the moment a van flipped onto its side on the Hume Highway in Sydney southwest. The vehicle was travelling northbound near Campbelltown yesterday when it appears the driver lost control, clipping another car, the van landing on its side. Police say no one was injured.
A video of an SUV driving through snow in BC's interior is making the rounds on social media. In the video, the vehicle can be seen sliding sideways down First Avenue in Kamloops. One tire hits the sidewalk, causing the vehicle to spin around, and the vehicle's occupant can be heard screaming from inside.
But it's crazy. Like, he had one hand on the. What the? Oh my God!
What happened, babe?
Oh my God! What is he doing? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I begin to.
Kamloops Fire Rescue responded to 11 vehicle collisions Monday night into Tuesday morning and reminds the public to slow down and make sure vehicles are clear of snow before driving.
Oh, fuck.
What is wrong with people?
Oh, fuck.
Fuck's sake!
Moving. Oh, for God. No, don't get out!
Ollie, don't get out of the fucking door! Get out of the way!
Winter weather here right now. Highway 400 southbound at IBR. We're getting some vehicles moving out of the way here as we speak. Near zero visibility. All traffic is being forced off the highway 400 is closed between Highway 89 northbound and Mapleview Drive southbound. If you don't need to be on the roads, please stay off.
Oh, for God. No, don't get out!
Molly, don't get out of the car!
Off. If you're stuck on the roads, it's going to be a slow drive wherever you are. This lake effect is causing essentially zero visibility in many areas. Roads are extremely slippery and treacherous. Please be careful out there, and I'll provide more information as it becomes available.
This guy hasn't got a clue.